Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
The US dollar fell across the board, giving up the previous week's gains as markets weighed the outlook for President Donald Trump's tariff policy and its potential to hurt growth and stoke inflation. Oil prices climbed, despite producer group OPEC Plus sticking with output hike plans, as wildfires burning in Canada's oil-producing province threatened supply. Wildfires burning in Canada's oil-producing province of Alberta have affected about 7% of the country's overall crude oil output as of Monday. The S&P 500 index closed higher, as investors were still optimistic over trade talks between the United States and its trading partners, despite President Donald Trump's latest salvo to double tariffs on imported steel and aluminium.
The dollar-yen pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. Gold prices skyrocketed in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.
Your trusted choice in online trading.